Fix all your game errors in just one click. If your game audit launch crashes on startup, shows missing DLL files, DirectX errors, Visual C++ problems, .NET issues, or even a black screen, this video is going to fix all of that. Today I'll show you the easiest way to repair every missing runtime your PC needs for gaming. Just open up Chrome and search Universal Runtime Installer. Select the first site and select the download option. It will start downloading. After the download done, open the installer and select run option. Make sure everything is selected and select install selected programs option. It will automatically install all the required files, Visual C++ 2005 to 2022, .NET components, DirectX runtimes and more. After installation is complete, just restart your computer. This makes sure all the files are applied correctly, and that's it. Once your PC restarts, most game launch issues, DLL errors, crashes, black screens, and missing components should be completely fixed. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick PC fixes. Thanks for watching.